This is Shriyans Pasupuleti. I am from 3rd grade E section DPS. I hope you guys are safe from COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. I want to share something about my passion.
Some changing.
So let's recollect these awesome scenes. Got my note. The Mark 1 was the first armor crafted by Tony Stark. While he was in prison, they were hit by a terrorist group called the
Every day I watch some movies like Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk, and when I see them, I always see that they'll make experiments to get the power and beat the villains. I like to learn some experiments too, but I need to learn science. Here we go. Hey, we are at my workstation. And so today, I'm gonna build a musical doorbell. I'll show you. I learned that all electronics has some circuits. Like example, headphones, it has these circuits, and that's not an example. It's true. It does have an. I'll show you now. I'll make the musical doorbell. I just have to see the instruction. Oh, in the musical doorbell page, I need a speaker, a music IC, batteries, connections, and the controllers. Okay, let's build this thing. Let's take a 600. See if it works, but first let me see if it's same. Oh yeah, it's safe. Now let's check if it's on. Oh! Ta-da! It works! Let me explain you about this project. So, you kept the batteries, right? When you kept the batteries, it goes to the slide and switch, goes to connector 5, and then it goes to the press switch, and goes with the resistor. But because the U1 music IC has less power, so when it goes to the resistor, it goes to the light, and it goes to connector 6, and it goes to the connector 2, and it goes to the U1 music IC. Then with the connector 2, it goes to the speaker and the music comes. Really, it really works. Now we have a musical doorbell by learning this thing. Thanks for watching my show, and we'll make another project in the next show. Now I'm going to do this my mom and dad. But first, I have to say goodbye to you. Goodbye!